Okay, we're going to work on this particular problem here with these three siblings. And so the first step, it says, which items does each person get? And remember that you're going to give each item to the highest bidder. And so just look across the rows. And in this case, the cabin is going to be the highest bidder is Bethany. The racing bicycle is also Bethany. So I've circled the highest bids for each of the items. So Amber is going to get the car. Bethany is going to get the cabin and the bicycle. And it looks like that Carl gets the boat. How much are these items worth? Okay, so Amber thinks that the car is worth $9,000. Let's see, Bethany thinks that the cabin and the racing bicycle are worth a total of $15,500, and Carl thinks that the boat is worth $2,000. Now for the hardest part, we're going to have to add up. We're going to have to figure out what each sibling thinks a fair share is worth. To do that, we're going to add up their totals. So 9,000 plus 1,500 plus 6,400 plus 8,000, or 800, whoops. And we're going to take that, all of that, and divide it by 3. You don't have to write all this out. I would assume that you would do this on your calculator. I'm just doing this for anyone who doesn't want to watch the videos. At any rate, it looks like we have, let's see, this is going to be, maybe I should get a calculator. So 1050, 1690, 1770, 700, I think that's right, divided by 3. Let's see, that makes sense. So I may pull out my calculator. And while I'm doing that, let me get the next one. Okay, so here's my calculator. Okay, I'll just do this one. This one is going to be 17,700 divided by 3, which is 5,900 for Amber. So Amber thinks a fair share is worth 5,900. The next one is going to be 7,000 plus 1,500 plus 13,000. Oops, too many zeros. Let's see, plus 2,500 divided by 3. So I'm going to do this one on my calculator. So give me a sec. So that's going to be 24,000 divided by 3, which is 8,000 for Bethany. Then Carl, I'm just adding up Carl's total for all of the items. So that's going to be, that one I can do in my head, I think. We're going to find out. So that's 10, 21, 23. How could that be so bad? Just a minute. 8,800 plus 2,000. It's 11,000 plus 1,600. 23,400. I'm off by... Yeah, that's right. 23,400. Get rid of that 0. Divided by 3. And that will be 7,800. Okay, I'm going to just double check that first sum. Give me a sec here. Since I did that in my head, I don't trust myself. No, I did it right. Okay. So the difference between what they got and what they think a fair share is worth. So Amber thinks she is owed, she thinks she should get $5,900, but she only got, or she got more than she deserves. And so this would be $3,100. So Bethany got $15,500, and she thinks she should get $8,000, and so that's $7,500. Carl thinks that he should get, or he got $2,000. He thinks he should get $7,800, and so that means that he got ripped off. He got that much less than he should have gotten. Okay, so these people, they got more than they deserved. They got more. This person got less. Okay, so now we go on to the next part, which is we're going to basically just add these numbers up. So Amber owes $3,100. She got $3,100 too much. Bethany owes $7,500. But then Carl comes along and says, hey, I got gypped. I need to get $5,800. And so 3,100 plus 7,500 minus 5,800 is equal to 4,800. 4,800 divided by 3 is 1,600. So there it is. You can box it if you want.